Welcome to your business owner meditation space. Imagine a world where your social media is attracting all the right people and you don't have to trade in your mental health in the process. Imagine 30 days in gym. That is oddly specific. In January 2023, BadX Enterprises and Social Siren Marketing are going to take you from stress to strategic with your social media content. Inside this debut cohort, you will get access to two badass marketing experts. That's me from BadX Enterprises and Jess from Social Siren. You get a business goals planner and so much more. We've built this live guided workshop to show you how to make small changes that can make big impacts for your brand online, and to help you develop strong social media strategies that let you reach your goals faster. Each week there will be a live call with your two marketing experts on the weekly topic. You'll get to ask questions and network with other passionate business owners. During each week, there are 5 tasks for you to complete, most of which will take less than 5 minutes so that you can get back to what you're passionate about, your business. Because unlike Social Siren and BadX, I'm pretty sure your passion isn't doing social media all day.